Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting only what matters: syllabus, class notes, and one reliable textbook. Once done, pick 3-5 core concepts you must understand. This creates a tight scope. Set a 25-50-minute timer and work in a quiet spot so you avoid wasting focus. Use one pen and one highlighter. Minimal tools force clarity. This first step forces prioritization and prevents drowning in detail, so you can actually begin creating short, useful notes now. Now condense. For each concept, write a single clear definition, then add 2 supporting facts or a short example. This shows both what and why. Once done, structure notes with headings and simple bullets, and use symbols like arrows or equals to mark cause, result, or equivalence. Make sure to limit each concept to 3 to 5 lines so retrieval is fast. This organization reduces clutter and trains you to capture the essence rather than copying everything verbatim. Finish by testing recall. Cover the page and recite each concept in 30 to 60 seconds. This shows gaps immediately. Once you do that, refine your notes. Cut redundant words and turn long statements into cue questions that prompt answers. If you run into trouble or can't recall something, flag it for targeted review or ask a peer or teacher. That saves time versus redoing everything. Finally, store notes by topic so future revisions are fast and focused.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.